2016 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, front wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, security system. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.